largest, not the one of the largest, it is the largest asset management company in India. It manages the largest mutual fund in India. It manages the largest portfolio management services in India. It has the largest passive fund AUM, which is index and ETF in India. It is the leader in systematic investment plans, SIPs in India. It has more than 3,000 crore of profit in FY26. So SBI Funds Management needs no introduction. It is part of the SBI Group, the largest bank in India. I'll just briefly introduce the management and then we can play a audio visual. So from the management team, we have Mr. Debashish Mishra, who is the MD and CEO of the company. We also have Mr. T.P. Singh, who is the joint CEO of the company. Mr. Srinivas Jain, who couldn't make it to Ahmedabad, but he has joined us virtually. He is the Chief of Digital Strategy and Technology, and he also heads the IR department. So let's play the EV that we have prepared for you.
I am Debashish Mishra, MD and CEO of SBI Funds Management Ltd. Welcome you all to this press meet today. And already you heard about the company, but I'll repeat a few numbers. We manage 29 trillion assets, which includes 12.5 trillion mutual fund alone. With a 15.4% market share, we are leaders in the country in terms of AUM as well as the market share. Now, this market share has come to us with 1.6 crore customers in the country. And present listing is coming up with 11,600 crore size and equally divesting by State Bank of India and Amundi, our joint venture partner, in the proportion of 6.3% and 3.7% respectively. I know the price was already disclosed, but I've seen that we put a very reasonable and what valuation has come to us, 545 to 574 range. And coming to the market was not for any capital raising or any requirement of the company. It is only to bring more transparency, governance, responsibility to our company. So maybe till yesterday we had a few stakeholders like unit holders, regulators, or both the joint venture partners. We'll add one more stakeholder, that is shareholders, when we list in the market. So it doesn't change our purpose. It only defines the responsibility, being the largest AMC of the country. So we would like to be more responsible, more governance oriented, and more transparent. Also, it enables us to make the market. I'll tell you more when we see the presentation and go for the Q&A. The market we are talking of in India is really on the surface. We are not scratched on the surface. We are touching the surface. So we'll talk more about the market, but once you want to make the market, then we are into the market. So we are coming to the market to make a wider market participation by all the citizens for value creation, to redefine the trust, and also make sure that we take this investable population to the next level in coming years. So in these introductory remarks, I'll ask Mr. T.P. Singh, joint CEO of the company, to make the presentation. Srinivas?
Yeah, I will, sir.
Can you do the presentation from there?
Yes, I can do it.
Okay, fine. So we'll devote the coming 25-30 minutes to the presentation. Then we'll take other questions. Thank you. Let me introduce one important person from our vertical. Mr. Vineet, can you come over? So Mr. Vineet Joshi is our, as already mentioned in the last slide, GIFT City. We have a subsidiary. Please come in, let me see. Can you get a chair? 10-month chair, we have a subsidiary now in GIFT City, and that is, as you understood, for investment vehicle, which we cannot do domestically for the overseas investment vehicle. We have Vineet here. So I think in future we will be doing a lot of work here. Maybe I will coming more to Ghalib and Ahmedabad to meet all of you, or to take this subsidiary further. So I thought I will share this with you. Now we will take the questions. Please. Please come.
Sir, SBI Mutual Fund.
Please introduce yourself because I am very new to the city.
I am Rafat Kadri. I am editor of Bilkul Bazaar and
Okay.
Newsport. My question is SBI Mutual Fund is already the biggest AMC by QAAUM. What are the next key drivers growth drivers that you are going to follow to maintain this leadership position? My second question would be,
Go ahead.
your IPO is entirely in OFS. So what is the biggest key proposition for the retail investors to go for?
Okay, so the first question is very important to understand and to know the vision of the company. We have already outlined in the RSP also. See, we have to now look at democratizing wealth creation. If you look at the whole wealth of the country, I'll give you three numbers to remember. 1.4 billion people, 950 million bank accounts, almost 80% covered now, but only 60 million mutual fund investors, or 60 million folios you can say. Look at the way we have come up and look at the way we have to go further. So until we democratize this wealth creation, until we have seen that the B30 cities are now our major drivers. So our focus will be more on this. And also, we will second priority will be digital delivery. Because to serve a large number of people or a large population, physical delivery will not suffice. So we will invest heavily in digital. We are already doing it. We have got, as you heard the presentation, we have got an app called Invest app. It is AI driven, AI supported. So you can interact, you can ask, you can get suggestions, you can take it to future. So the more digitally delivery systems will be strengthened. And third will be, as you know, we are a AMC, so we will deliver investment excellence. So market uncertainty will continue in different forms, but our teams, which we have developed in the last 30 years, who have seen the market in different forms, and we are also developing research abilities to provide investment excellence. So the first part of the question, your second question is for the retail investors. See, I cannot give a sizable or a figurative answer, but I can only say that this valuation has come after a lot of thoughts by all our BRLMs, all our partners, key stakeholders. And this is an appropriate valuation for the company. And we objective is, I told in the beginning, to bring confidence to the market. We are making the market to be in the market. So that itself indicates that we are focusing or we are targeting retail customers and leaving definitely some money in the table. That much I can say. Beyond that, since RSP already filed and listing is a few days away, I may not be able to exactly tell you, but I am sure our targets are very clear. And coming to the market at this time also bring a lot of confidence by ourselves. So I was telling yesterday to the press at Mumbai, markets will be uncertain. Nobody can time the market, but our trust is certain. So like the bank or parent bank has served 220 years in the country. We have served more than 35 years in the country. So we believe that this trust, this confidence of the company will take us further in the listing also. Thank you. Yeah.
My question about the financial inclusion and financial literacy. So, sir, new generations trend toward the investment are changing. How the SBI mutual fund takes initiatives to financial literacy and financial inclusion?
Excellent question, I think. This is a very pertinent question for today.
And my second question is about scenario about the investment in domestic as well as the global investment base. How the SBI mutual fund and as well as the GIFT cities takes initiatives for these opportunities in the Indian investors.
Okay. So मेरे ख्याल से शिक्षा में बोला कि हिंदी में बोली, तो मैं आपको हिंदी में जवाब देता हूँ पहले क्वेश्चन का. देखिए फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी फॉर जेन जी इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन एक्शन. मैंने आपको बताया हमारे जो इन्वेस्टर है दैट इज एआई ड्रिवन, एआई सपोर्टेड. हमारे पास एक और आपके सपोर्ट मिलता है, वो भारतीय स्टेट बैंक की योनो the mobile banking app. So YONO is a like banking app और हमारा इन्वेस्ट का भी इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐप. तो हम दोनों के साथ एक API इंटीग्रेशन करके डायरेक्टली डेटा ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. जेनजी के जरूरी है. आज की जेनजी बैंक में नहीं आना चाहते. They want to see Facebook, Insta and different social media to understand that where to invest, how to invest. हम वहीं पर हैं जहाँ वो चाहते हैं. हमारे सारे handles, Twitter handle, Facebook handle, always publish the data on fund management, fund positioning, and believe me, एक डेटा कल शिक्षा में बताया 56% of the new SIPs जो हमारे पास आए हैं पिछले साल only Gen 20 to 35 days. हमने जो जर्नीवेस लॉन्च किया था, जर्नीवेस स्कीम 250 रुपीज लॉन्च किया था. छोटे छोटे गांव के लोग जो छोटे छोटे काम करते हैं 250 रुपए SIP करते हैं. ये पहले बात. सेकेंड बात है लिटरेसी. इसके पहले यहाँ पर म्यूचुअल फंड मैनेजमेंट में दिल्ली में था. I was getting the Delhi region, North India. आज की डेट में आप जाएंगे कोई भी बैंक की ब्रांचेस में जो काउंटर में कन्वर्शन होता है ऑन SIP ओनली. आई थिंक आप लोग याद होगा पुराने जमाने में एक प्रोडक्ट होती थी RD, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट. I think many of you also heard this, but आप भी किए होंगे. तो जैसे घर में 2 बच्चे हैं, 2 RD करो. एक के लिए पढ़ाई के लिए, दूसरे मैरिज के लिए. That RD is replaced by SIP today. लोगों को ये नहीं मालूम कि म्यूचुअल फंड क्या होता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होता है, मार्केट क्या होता है. They want SIP. सर हमारे SIP कर दीजिए मेरे बेटे के नाम पे, मेरे बेटे के नाम पे, so that जब बड़े हो जाएंगे SIP के रिटर्न्स में उनकी पढ़ाई, उनकी मैरिजेस, इमरजेंसी, मेडिकल सब कुछ हो जाए. तो SIP is a literacy mode for us to take it further. हमारे 23,000 ब्रांचेस SBI के हैं जहाँ सारे काउंटर्स में SIP की बात होती है. और मैंने खुद देखा है. तो we'll give top priority to financial literacy, inclusion and digital literacy. All three. Second question I want Mr. Singh and Ghalib to respond.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या था आपका?
दूसरा था कि डोमेस्टिक एंड ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट.
तो ऐसा चाहता है कि हिंदुस्तान के जिन लोगों ने भी बाहर पैसा लगाया है कंपनी में उनको काफ़ी अच्छी रिटर्न मिली है क्योंकि हमारी जो मार्केट थी थोड़ा वोलेटाइल थी. तो उसके लिए भारत सरकार ने एक रिजर्व बैंक के थ्रू एक लिमिट लगी हुई थी जो $7 बिलियन की थी कि इसके ज़्यादा आप नहीं कर सकते. तो 7 बिलियन में से 1 बिलियन से कुछ ज़्यादा जो है SBI म्यूचुअल फंड ने ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है. तो हमारे पास और रूल नहीं है कि हम डोमेस्टिक म्यूचुअल फंड के थ्रू बाहर पैसा लगा सकें. अब दूसरा तरीका ये है कि LRS जो है जो हमारे पास स्कीम है लिबरलाइज्ड रेमिटेंस स्कीम, उसके थ्रू गिफ्ट सिटी से कोई फंड, तो उसमें से हमने एक फंड लॉन्च किया है. और उसमें थोड़ी सी बंदिश ये है कि उसमें जो मिनिमम पैसा लगता है वो $1.5 मिलियन का एप्लीकेशन है. रिटेल का फंड हम एक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. उसमें कुछ टैक्स की जो है दर है उनमें कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स की है जो होने वाली है. वो हो जाएगा तो गिफ्ट सिटी के थ्रू ये हमारा एक रास्ता खुल जाएगा. पर मेरे को ये लगता है कि अगर जैसे हालात अभी सुधरे थे अभी थोड़ी खराब हो रही है, अगर हमारी फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिजर्व थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है और सरकार हमें और इजाज़त दे देती है कि 7 बिलियन को आगे ले जाओ तो हम डोमेस्टिक म्यूचुअल फंड के थ्रू करेंगे. परंतु आज की डेट में ये नहीं है. आज की डेट में सिर्फ LRS के रूट है जिसके थ्रू हम पैसा बाहर लगा सकते हैं. और उसके लिए एक फंड हमने ऑलरेडी लॉन्च कर दिया है. जो बड़ी टिकट वाले पैसे हैं वो तो जा सकते हैं, छोटी साइज के पैसे के लिए अभी हम काम कर रहे हैं.